there are indices that were launched by BSE and NSE that track the performance of IPOs. So I looked at NSE IPO index that basically track the performance of last 100 IPOs on main board.
Okay.
Not on SME board, main board. Okay. In last 3 years, it has given 10% returns on annualized basis, while Nifty 50 has given 16%, Midcap has given around 19. Okay. On last 5-year basis, NSE IPO index has given 16% return, while Nifty 50 and Midcap index have given 20 to 25% on annualized basis. So it's a massive underperformance you are looking if you look at it.
Is it largely a social media or a this kind of frenzy that gets created, and because of that it becomes practically impossible for a company to match the expectation of that frenzy?
See, listing day gains are popularized heavily by financial media and social media.
Correct.
Okay. So people are not going for long term. They are not interested in business anymore. Okay. Most of people are looking at listing day gains, which you call flipping.
Correct.
Now the problem is that you see, if you want to create value or additional returns, let's say abnormal returns from an investment, okay, it always helps if there are fewer participants.
Okay. Correct.
As soon as participants increase, that discount would disappear, right?
Exactly.
If a stock is supposed to be at 5 rupees, okay, and and real value is 10 rupees. If everybody get to know, okay, it's a 5 rupees undervaluation, everybody will jump in. You will not be able to make any money. Right. So that is what is happening with flipping day gains. So everybody is jumping into IPO subscription, and it's getting bizarre. Okay, so there is a SME board that NSE has. Okay, so there's a company in Delhi which has 2 showrooms.
Okay.
Yamaha showrooms.
Okay.
It has in all 8 employees.
Okay.
It has profits of less than 1 crore. Okay, and its revenue is around 20 crore. Okay, it has asked for 12. It was trying to raise 12 crore rupees.
Right.
Okay, it got bids for nearly 4,000 crore. Because people are so sure about that listing day gains would be there.
Right.
So there is no consideration for the quality, for the long-term potential of the business. Okay. So we have to be thankful that the guy was not asking for 4,000 crores. He could have got that. He could have easily gotten that.
So in a way, this is like a strange thing, right? So companies are actually falling victim to the craze around the IPO.
Or investors are falling victim.
Yes, you can say that. And in the process, even genuine companies who are out there to kind of scale and grow, they are getting kind of penalized in this process. Would that be right to say?
Let's understand that with the example of Zomato.
Okay.
So Zomato, when it got listed, let's say talk about early 2022, okay, it had a revenue of top line of around 4,000 crore.
Right.
Okay. And issue price was 76 and it was trading in the range of 130 to 140 that time. Okay. 1 year down the line, sales were around 8,000 crore.
Increased.
It literally doubled. Okay. And stock price went down to range of around 50-60 below the issue price. It went down to 40 after that. Okay. It has made a low of 40. And sales kept increasing. In last financial year, it was around 12,000 crore, 13,000 crore.
Exactly.
Okay. So basically, it is a much better bet than at the time of IPO. If an investor is considered, even if an investor is considering, let's say 1 year back, okay, when it is around 40, okay, sales has doubled from the IPO from the levels we have seen at the time of IPO. Okay. So basically, it's a much better bet in terms of valuation, and it has also delivered on growth.
Correct.
Okay. But nobody was ready to touch it at that time because people have burnt their hands in IPO. Okay. So only the intelligent investors, okay, who are tracking the industry, who understand the nitty-gritty, they understood that it is going to be a turnaround story. Okay. Stock has given nearly 6 times returns since then.